Cop, see what you do. Get out, cop. You better get out there. Scared.
Get to the money.
The juice to his. Nikki, Eli, Weldon. Replace. Cop. Juice to sweepers. Cop. Bros not letting me, I'm tryna fuck. Only that back to a body go drop. Said that he sauce, but we gon' wipe his. Said that he sauce, but we gon' wipe his snot. Brody kept flicking, he done heard the cops. Sirens got closer, Brody got his clock. If a pill had me flicking, it was 2 o'clock. Gotta walk him down, I think he see the dot. Like bro tryna throw in that boy. I was young, but a gun, I was into the toys. Music cool and shit facts, but I love making noise. When I black, I was bending, looking for T-Wood. I called Draco and shit, why he dissing this shit? He was running this shit, I was spinning this shit. Why he act like I wasn't just flicking this shit? Lil Mikey was with him, he tripping this shit. No cap, I don't do shots when they came. Don't wanna hear about your scenes if you ain't causing pain. Bullet holes hurt his body whenever it rains. He was throwing out punches.